Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Ordinals. Not of course, I wanted to say of course, but Ordinals right now, I have this feeling, and maybe it's just me, but I have this feeling that not many people are covering it on YouTube, and just in general, there's not a lot of buzz around it. I know some big investors and some big analysts are into Ordi. And are into Ordinals in general, and the volume is absolutely amazing. I mean, the volume is still almost at $1 billion, and it's in the top 50 of coins right now. So Ordinals definitely is doing great, and that's also why I'm making this video. I mean, it's been very bullish. I think I've always been bullish on this. I mean, to be honest, I actually wanted, or I took a trade on it right here at $68, but I closed it at entry because I thought the market was way too risky back then. Was unfortunate because it would have hit take profit right now, but it doesn't matter. I mean, if you look at Ordi right now, you could say it's manipulated. If you look at the volume, there's quite a lot of volume coming from SuperX, WebC, WebC, Bitmart, Pionex, Hotcoin. So there's probably some manipulation going on here, but there's also a ton of volume from OKX. I know a lot of Chinese people use OKX, so I just think this is not really a rally you hear about in English media or English crypto commentary. I think in China this is popping off, and I think a lot of people are buying this, and that's why the price is going up. And the Chinese, they have money, right? They have enough money to spend on this. I would assume, at least. I'm not the most educated on that. But yeah, so Ordi has been very bullish. There's a fundamental reason for why it's bullish. There's probably some manipulation going on, which is not too bad actually. And if you look at the momentum it has right now, which I think is interesting to look at, the momentum has been practically flat. Right, we saw some increases up until Saturday, but since then it has been practically flat, with a bit of a spike on Tuesday. That's this move, of course. But then look, the open interest and the momentum is not bearish. The technicals are very bullish. The BRC20 narrative is still doing fine. It's still doing good. So I would be stupid to assume that Ordinals is not going to continue up. I don't see a reason at this moment that we would stop going up. I mean, if for some reason, and I do expect something like this at some point of time, we're going to have a big pullback, right? So if Ordinals all of a sudden drops down below its main support at $80 and it's not able to bounce back up, then we're probably going to have a minor crash down to like $65 and potentially even down more, down to 57. That's a possibility, and that's always a possibility, and you should know that, and you should be careful for that. But there's no indication of that happening right now. I mean, now all the indicators, which not technical indicators, but just things I look at for cryptos, they're all looking up. There's nothing bearish about Ordinals except for the fact that it's perhaps slightly manipulated, but that isn't necessarily bearish. That's just risky, right? So I would say it's most likely it will continue. There's a resistance level here at 90, of course, but I would say the main target, and there's a bit of a magnet to that probably as well, is $100. Major psychological resistance level would be an all-time high. So I think it's most likely we're going up there. We like I said, I mean, we don't have any previous levels anymore. So you really have to work with those psychological levels. And I think it's most likely we're going up there. I don't see a reason at this moment why not. If I do start to see a reason like that, I'll keep you updated. All right, don't worry about that yet. For now, those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my premium and Signal group. We had a super profitable month in December. So check it out if you're interested in that. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.